Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Today video we are talking about the XRP Ripple coin. So what's going on in the XRP? What's the current price of XRP? What's the price change in the XRP? And especially in this video we are talking about the XRP to the moon. XRP is going to the moon, my friends. Really, my friends, I'm seriously, XRP is now in the moon, my friends. You can see here, my friends, you know what, I'm impressed from the yesterday, from the last 1 day changes of the XRP. When I saw the price chart of the polygon of the XRP polygon matic and the cardano, so this coin is going to the moon from yesterday, my friends. From yesterday these coins start explosion, and still, my friends, still the price changes is positive, my friends. So that's really a good news for all of you, my friends. Celebrate it and congratulations, my friends. My friends, before discussing more about XRP, please, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and also like this video. At this time the price of the XRP is 0.591488 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the polygon matic. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour and last 1 day, the both changes occurred. The latest, I'm talking about the latest, both changes of the XRP is positive. So if the latest changes is positive, so that means that I am right and XRP is going to the moon, my friends. So just tell me in the comment box, are you ready to the moon or not? Yes or no? Are you ready to the moon or not? Tell me in the comment box. And you know what, my friends, the price change is still positive, so that's why my prediction, my opinion is going positive about XRP Ripple coin, my friends. So I hope, I recommend for all of you to hold. Hope absolutely you will get good amount of profit from XRP if you hold for a long time, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.